Case No. 2023-7940. Judge, Honorable Judge Lisa Roberts. Plaintiff, John Anderson. Defendant, Emily Wilson. Opening statement. Judge Lisa Roberts, JLR. Mr. Plaintiff, John Anderson, Ms. Defendant, Emily Wilson, we are here today. This court is convened to resolve the dispute between the parties. Please provide your testimony truthfully. Mr. Plaintiff, you may proceed. Plaintiff's allegations. John Anderson, J.A. Your Honor, I am here today to claim that the defendant intentionally destroyed my property. My claim is that the defendant deliberately broke my property, causing me financial harm. JLR, understood, Mr. Plaintiff. Now, we turn to the defendant for their defense. Ms. Defendant, you are required to present your case. Defendant's defense. Emily Wilson, EW. Your Honor, I deny these allegations. I had no intention to intentionally break the plaintiff's property. The claims are baseless, and I maintain my innocence. I had no intent to break or cause harm to the property. JLR, understood. Now, I allow the attorneys to ask questions to the respective parties. Statements and evidence. Plaintiff's attorney, PA. Mr. Plaintiff, what other evidence do you have to support your claim that the defendant intentionally destroyed your property? JA, there is a security camera footage that clearly shows the defendant intentionally breaking my property. Defendant's attorney, DA. Mr. Plaintiff, do you have any doubts about the authenticity of this security footage? JA, no, I firmly believe that the footage is authentic. JLR, understood. Now, I allow the defense attorney to ask questions. Defense attorney's questions. DA, Ms. Defendant, did you have any intention to intentionally break the property? EW, no, I had no such intention. I deny the plaintiff's allegations and maintain my innocence. Trial and decision phase. JLR, after considering the parties' allegations, testimonies, and evidence, I have reached a decision in this case. This case involves the dispute over the intentional destruction of property. The plaintiff, John Anderson, claims that the defendant, Emily Wilson, intentionally broke his property. The plaintiff seeks compensation for the value of the property and the damages caused. Based on the evidence and testimonies presented, it has been established that the defendant intentionally broke the plaintiff's property. Therefore, Emily Wilson is deemed liable as the defendant and is required to provide financial compensation to John Anderson for the value of the property and the damages caused. Verdict. JLR, as a result of this case, the defendant, Emily Wilson, has been found guilty of intentionally breaking the property, as evidenced by the presented materials. She is ordered to pay financial compensation to the plaintiff, John Anderson, for the value of the property and the damages caused. The case is closed.